That's how generally we define the regular expression quantities, quantified. That means generally, so how do we write? Suppose if I say 4, it means what? It means exactly 4 characters. If I say 4 comma 10, that means between between 4 to 10, 4 to 10. So if I say 4 comma like this indicates that, so minimum 4, minimum 4, minimum 4, and max any number, any number. That's how generally we write the quantifiers, quantity. And this is also important. Let's see one simple example how we define the quantity, how we can configure the regular expression. So let's see one simple example, because later in Angular we will use them in various validations. When we discuss about validations in Angular, we will use them. So there you will come across these one more time. Then we don't need to spend much time there. We can directly use them, and some additional things you will learn there, right? Initially, how we can handle this? Let's see. I will create one more option here. I am asking here LET mobile, and mobile here they can enter the mobile, but for mobile we are expecting a format. It's not number. So mobile is a string. Why it is a string? Because mobile, according to our requirements, mobile should start with +91, and it should have a 10-digit number. It should have a 10-digit number. So in that case, +91 with a 10 digits number, it cannot be represented as a numeric type. It is a string type. So we are expecting a 10-digit number, 98765432110, but it should start with +91. +91, after +91, 10-digit number. Then how to write regular expression? So we write regular expression as any type, and regular expression in /. And here we have to write the regular expression. First important is it should start with plus. You can directly add the symbol, any special character, as I told you. If you want to add any special character, then you have to precede with slash. That means /+ Okay. What is allowed? What is mandatory that you can write? So here COLOU is mandatory. Then you have to write it. That means what is mandatory? 91 is mandatory. That means it should be starting with +91, mandatory. Okay. After 91, what is allowed? After 91, only 10-digit number allowed. How you will represent only number? Only number can be defined in this way, 0-9, or you can define with D. So you can use D, or you can write 0-9, only numeric allowed. That means here we can use in the square brace, so 0-9. This indicates only numeric allowed. Okay, how many numbers allowed? How much quantity for that number? 10 digits must be there. Then the quantifier is flower brace. You write 10. That's how we write the regular expression. That means it should be a number. It should be a number, and it should start with +91 and 10-digit number. Anything other than that is invalid. So then we will write a condition. If mobile.match, if it is matching with regular expression, then console.log. And so here we will write, so in the backtick, so your mobile, and what they entered, that is mobile, so is verified, or simply say mobile verified. verified successfully. This message will come. Else, so we will put a message console.log. So message invalid mobile. So how the point is plus 91 and 10 digits required. This is how we are writing. And in that case, so let's compile and run this and see, and you can see that. So the mobile that we entered and what it is expecting is not correct. Then it says invalid mobile, plus 91 and 10 digits required. So that means what you entered is invalid. That means, so here we will put what they entered also. That means what they entered, mobile, is invalid. Let's run this so that it will be more clear. That means what they entered is invalid. This is invalid. That means it should have plus 91 and 10 digits. It is having 10 digits, but it is not starting with plus 91. Let's write plus 91. And I will save this. I will save and I will compile and run this and and you can see here it is working fine. When I compile and run this, you can see your mobile is verified successfully. That is how we write the regular expression to verify the formats, emails, URLs, so phone numbers, passwords. So anything we can verify by using this technique. So this is a simple example of how do we write the regular expression. So this is another example. Suppose I am defining one more option. Suppose LET, password, is a string. And user is entering John 123. John 123. Okay, that is the password. Now, according to our regular expression, our requirement for password should be, password should contain at least one uppercase letter. That means without one uppercase letter, password is not invalid. So that means password should have some limitations, which we will write detailing. For example, suppose we are defining a simple condition like this. That is at least one uppercase letter, 4 to 15 characters. That is the condition we are defining. 4 to 15 characters, alphanumeric, at least one uppercase letter. In that case, we can write like this. How to represent at least one special uppercase letter? At least one uppercase letter is represented by using this pattern. Then we will write that here. Question mark equal dot star square brace a hyphen z. This indicates at least one uppercase letter. Okay, at least one uppercase letter out of what? That also you have to tell. Out of slash w. Slash w indicates what W indicates. W indicates it is an entity that allows uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and underscore. That means you are saying that uppercase are allowed, lowercase are allowed, and numbers are allowed, underscore also allowed, but at least one should be uppercase. At least one should be uppercase. That's very simple. Now, in the flower brace, the range should be 4 to 10 characters. That means minimum 4 and maximum 10. Anything outside that is invalid. Anything outside that is invalid. Okay, that is how we write the regular expression. Now we can write in a multi-level. For example, minimum 4 and maximum 10. Then see here, suppose user entered JOH. Okay, now I will write a condition here. First one, if password is matching with regular expression, so then we will put console.log.